Okay, and we're back. Here we've just built some rocks and some trees for us to explore in. Let's go ahead and check her out. Yeah, so as you can see, you can't get through the rocks, but you can hide behind the bushes. And that's because I put the bushes on a top layer. I put it on layer 2. And you can do that as well. Alright, you can't get out of these trees. So let's add a couple more things to this. Let's add a building. I think a building would be really cool. How about like a cool tomb? So we're gonna go into the buildings. Oh, one thing I want to do before we do the buildings is I kind of want to clean up this hierarchy. Look at this. Look at all these stones and trees. That is not gonna fly. First, I'm gonna drag this player up here. We're gonna create an empty object to put all this stuff in. So over here we have this create button right here in the corner, and literally say create, or this is this plus. Let's create an empty object. Let's rename it. I'm gonna name it terrain. Enter. Alright, let's select all these. Something you can do is you can select up here and scroll all the way down, hold shift, and select all of these items. We can drag all those items into terrain. Make it a child of terrain. So now to clean up our hierarchy. It looks way better. So now we're going to add a building. So let's create another empty object to put it in. Do building. That'll center everything into our building. Let's do a stone wall. Let's make it a little bit bigger. There we go. And a component, we're going to give it the polygon, or we can give it a box. It'll be the same. So then we're going to control or command C and V to duplicate. Duplicate. We're going to build a little building. See how I want that to be in front. So let's change that order layer. If you hold shift and click another item, it'll add it to your queue. We can just do this. Good looking building.